Hello kids, welcome to your next session of maths. In this session we are going to start with chapter 5, addition with carrying. Okay kids, we are starting with our new chapter, addition with carrying. Okay, addition you all have done in class 1. Yes, सबको अच्छे से आता है ना addition? Yes, okay. Now what is this carry children? Addition तो हम करेंगे इस चैप्टर में, but we will do the carry sums. कौन सा addition करेंगे जिसमें carry हम देते हैं? Now what is this carry? I will explain you in this video. So you have to be very attentive while watching this video. So shall I start? Okay. Now first of all we will do single digit, okay, 8 and 7, single digit addition. Then I will explain you two digit addition, means two numbers we will add of 2 digits, like 35 is a 2 digit number and 16 is also a 2 digit number. So they are two digit numbers, okay, 2 numbers we will add. Next I will explain you 3 2-digit numbers, means you have to add 1 2 3 numbers of 2 digits. Okay, now let us start with single digit children. So what is this? What you have to do? 8 plus 7. Okay, what you used to do in class 1? You used to keep the bigger number in mind and take out the fingers for the smaller number. Yes, we used to do in this way, no? Now 8 and 7 you have to add. So what you will do? You will keep 8 in your mind. You will keep this 8 in your mind. Okay, 8 I have kept here. Now how many fingers I will take out? I will take out 7 fingers. Okay, 5 and 2, 7. Now we will do forward counting after 8. 8 हमने यहाँ रखा है. अब हम 8 के आगे forward counting करते हैं addition में. क्या करते हैं addition में? We used to do forward counting. Okay, 7 fingers we will count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the answer, children? 15. Okay. So what you will do, children? You can't write the 15 under one's place. You can't write like this, no? 15. Why? Because this 15 is having 1 tens and 5 ones. Yes, 15 is made up of 1 10 and 5 ones. So this 5 will not share its place with 1. So this one we will carry to the tens place. This one of 15 we will carry to the tens place. But tens place पे यहाँ कोई digit नहीं है 1 में add करने के लिए. Yes, जो 8 plus 7 का हमारा 15 आया ना, yes, उसका 5 हम 1's place पे लिखेंगे and this one will go to the 10th place as carry. Okay, but in this I have no digit to add, तो इस one को मैम डायरेक्टली यहाँ लिखेंगी 10th place पे. Okay, getting 8 plus 7 is 15. We can't write 15 like this at the ones place because this 15 consists of 1 10 and 5 ones. So ones वाली जगह पे सिर्फ हम 5 लिखेंगे and this one will go to 10th place as carry. Okay, I have no digit here to add, so I will write directly 1 over here. Getting, children? Now let us see one more example. Okay, 9 plus 5. So what you have to do? You have to keep 9 in your mind and you have to take out 5 fingers. Yes, 9 plus 5. Keep 9 in your mind. 9 I have kept here Now 5 fingers and do forward counting. Okay? Let us start doing forward counting. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the answer? 14 is the answer. So 14 means 1 10 and 4 ones. So at ones place we will write this 4 only. Yes, and this one we will give carry to the tens place. 1 here I will write because I have no digit here to add to this one. So I am writing directly this one in the answer column. Okay? Understood single digit addition with carry? Okay. Now we move on to double digit addition with carry. Okay? Now see here, what you have to do, you have to add 35 and 16. So you remember that and you know that always we start the addition and subtraction from the ones place. Never start the subtraction or addition from any other place except ones. Okay, Hamesha you have to start with your right, means ones place. Okay, now we will add 5 and 6. Okay, come on, add 5 and 6. How you will add? Which is the bigger number? Keep bigger number in your mind. 6. And take out 5 fingers. Yes. Now do forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 11 is the answer. 6 and 5 comes 11. So what should I do? I should write 11 like this? No. Or should I write 11 like this? No. Because children, this 11 consists of 1 10 and 1 ones. Yes? So, this one I will write here and this one I will give carry to tens place. Okay? 6 and 5 when we add, the answer is 11. So what you will do, 11 का जो पीछे वाला digit है, yes, जो ones place पे लिखना है हमें, this one I am writing here and this 110, it is 110, no, I am giving carry to the tens place. Okay? So I will write 1 as carry over here at the tens place like this. Now we have 3 digits to add at the tens place. 3 और 1 तो वहाँ पहले से ही था. Yes. Now 1 carry और आ गया. तो इस carry को आपको add करना नहीं भूलना है. Don't forget to add this carry in these two numbers. Okay. Now let us do 3 plus 1. 3 in mind and 1 finger. 3 and 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So what you will write, children? 5 at the tens place. So what is the answer? 51 is the answer. Understanding what is carry? Yes, this one which we have written over here is known as carry. And the answer which we get after adding 2 or more numbers is known as the total or the sum. Okay, this answer is known as the total, or you can say it as sum, S-U-M, sum. Okay, the sum of these two numbers is 51. Now let us do one more. Okay, now you have to add 89 and 7. So you will start the addition with your right hand. Okay, right hand means ones place. Okay, now 7 is a single digit number, and you know very well that single digit number comes under ones place. Yes, it is 7 ones only. It has no tens. Okay, now add 9 and 7. Keep 9 in your mind and take out 7 fingers and count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is 110 and 6 ones. Yes, so 6 ones we will write under ones place. This 6 only we will write here. पूरा 16 नहीं लिखना है, 1 हमें कैरी देना है. क्या देना है? Carry to the tens place. So this one we will give carry to the tens place. Now under tens place we have no digit here, so we have only 8 and 1 to add. So 8 in mind and 1 more finger. 8 and plus 1 becomes 9. Yes. So what is the sum? The sum is 96. The total is 96 children. Understood? Okay. Now let us move to 3 double digit numbers. Addition of 3 double digit numbers. Now I have 3 numbers to add. That is 28, 34 and 55. Now you will start the addition with the ones place. Now what you will do, how you will add 3 numbers? First you will add 8 and 4, then 8 और 4 को प्लस करके जो आंसर आएगा उसमें आप 5 ऐड करोगे. ओके, सो लेट अस ऐड 8 and 4 first. Keep 8 in your mind and take out 4 fingers. 8 here, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 and 4 is 12. Now to this 12 I will add 5. Okay, now in this 12 I will add 5. So 12 you can keep it here and you can take out 5 more fingers. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Understood? First we are adding 8 and 4. The answer is 12. Then we are adding 5 more to this 12. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 का हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ 7 लिखेंगे ones के नीचे. Okay? And 1 we will give carry to the tens place. Okay? So now under the tens place we have 2 plus 3 plus 5 and this carry. आपको carry को add करना नहीं भूलना है. Okay? Now let us add first 2 and 3. 2 and 3 very easy. Yes, tell me what is 2 and 3? Yes, 5. Okay, 2 and 3. The answer is 5. Now add 5 more to this 5. Let us take 5 more fingers and count forward after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and plus 1 which is carry makes 11. So what you will do children? 11 you will write only 1 and again the 1 you will give carry to the hundreds place. Okay? Yes, but there is no digit to add at the 100 place, so we can write directly 1 over here. Understood? Yes. What we did first, we started from the ones place. We started from the ones place. Okay, I am explaining you again. One more example we will take. हमारे पास ये 3 नंबर्स हैं ऐड करने के लिए. हम वंस प्लेस से एडिशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो 3 नंबर्स आर 8, 4 and 5. नाउ यू विल ऐड 8 and 4. यस, द आंसर वाज 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now to this 12 you will add 5 more. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? तो 17 हम यहाँ पे पूरा नहीं लिख सकते because 17 consists of 7 ones and 110. So only 7 ones we will write under the ones place and 110 we will give carry to the tens place. Okay, now we have 4 digits to add. So let us add 2 and 3 first. 2 and 3 after adding gives us 5, then 5 plus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gives us 10. Then 10 plus 1 is 11. Children, 11 you can write directly like this because at hundreds place we have no number, no digit to add. As we have done here ना, 15 का हमने 1 डायरेक्टली लिख दिया था ना, सो यहाँ पे 11 का 1 हम डायरेक्टली लिख देंगे because we have no digit at the 100 place to add with this carry. Okay, understood? Let us take one more example of 3-digit numbers. Babies, are you getting carry? What is carry? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. Okay, see the video carefully and try to understand, and I will explain you more clearly in the live sessions also. Okay. So now let us add 29, 52 and 38. Okay. Now you have to add these. Now from which place we will start the addition? Come on, tell. From the ones place. So which 2 numbers you have to add first? You have to add 9 and 2. Come on, keep 9 in your mind and take out 2 fingers. 9, 10, 11. Answer is 11. Now to this 11 add 8. Take out 8 fingers and count after 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So 19 का आप 9 यहाँ लिखोगे and 1 you will give carry to the tens place. Yes. Now add 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Keep 5 in your mind because 5 is bigger. And 2 fingers. 6, 7, 7. Now add 3 to 7. 8, 9, 10. Then this 1 carry, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11, okay, 11. 1 you will write here and 1 we are shifting to hundreds place. I am not writing this 1 here because we don't have any digit over here to add. I am shifting this 1 at the 100 place. Okay, children? Getting it? Now, what you have to do, children? In your Discovering Maths book, you have to do Practice Zone 1. Practice Zone 1 is very easy. You have to add 3 single digit numbers, okay? You can do it in homework. Okay? Practice Zone 2, you have to do Practice Zone 3, Practice Zone 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in Discovering Maths book. And question number 1 of my observation book. Carry sums you have to practice, you have to do. Okay? समझ में आया? What is carry? Okay? Single digit. 8 plus 7 was 15. 15. 5 we have written it under 1 and 1 we have given carry to the tens place and 1 directly we have written because we have no digit over here to add. Okay, in this 6 plus 5 was 11. So 11 का हमने 1 यहाँ लिखा and 1 we have given carry to the tens place. Then we have added 3, 1 and this one, which has given us 5. The sum is 5. What do you call this answer as? You call this answer as sum or total. Okay children, now we will come up with more sums and more explanations in the next video and during the live sessions. Okay, till then you all take care of yourself and complete practice zone 1 to 4 in your Discovering Maths book and question number 1 in your My Observation book. Okay, come on, bye, take care of yourself.